I'm Neld, solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's topic often gets overlooked, yet it is deeply rooted in the Filipino way of life. It's about the Filipina single mom, the resilient, the determined, the self sacrificing woman who, in many ways, represents the heart of Filipino culture itself. When you think of Filipino culture, you might think of hospitality, family values, respect for elders, or even karaoke nights. But if you look closer, you will notice something else: the strength and presence of Filipino single mothers who carry the weight of not just their families, but also cultural expectation. In the Philippines, family is everything. Yet, circumstances like poverty, broken marriages, migration, or abandonment often leave women raising children on their own. Instead of giving up, Filipina single moms rise to the challenge. They work abroad as OFWs, they run sari-sari stores, they hustle online, or they take on multiple jobs just to keep food on the table. And here's the thing: they do it without losing their sense of warmth, humor, and humility. Filipino single moms embody the value of kaya ko to, that unshakable willpower. They prove the Filipino spirit isn't just about surviving, but thriving, even when life throws curveballs. If you ask a Filipina single mom what motivates her, you probably will hear one answer again and again: para sa mga anak ko. Everything is for the children. That's the essence of her sacrifice. Many go without new clothes, without personal luxuries, sometimes even without sleep, just so their kids can eat, study, and have a better future. Some even migrate overseas, spending years apart from their children, so that the remittances can build a stronger foundation at home. This sacrifice, thought heavy, is carried with pride, and here's the cultural impact. Society sees this woman as proof that a Filipina's love and unconditional. They are not just mothers, their warriors is the quiet feast. Yet most powerful sense. Let's take a wider view. Filipina single moms aren't just part of the culture, they shape it. Think about media, vlogs, or even everyday conversations. Stories of single moms inspire novels, films, and songs. On YouTube, you'll find Filipina vloggers documenting their struggles and triumphs as single parents, gaining massive support from both local and international audiences. Why? Because their story resonates. It's a story of resilience, hope, and faith values that are not just personal, but deeply cultural. Please do not forget, many of these moms are also role models to younger Filipinas. They teach them independence, the importance of education, and the reality that women can stand strong on their own no matter what. Of course, we cannot romanticize everything. Being a single mom in the Philippines isn't easy. We face stigma, whispers from relatives, financial hardship, and sometimes even discrimination in work or social settings. Yet, despite all this, they persist. That's the paradox. Society may frown at them at first, but eventually, everyone respects their grit. In a way, this duality, judgment followed by admiration, reflects the contradictions of Filipino culture itself. It's strict and traditional on one hand, but compassionate and adaptive on the other. I guess the question is, why do I say Filipina single moms are quintessential to Filipino culture? Because they embody the three pillars of what it means to be Filipino. 1. Resilience, bouncing back from hardship. 2. Family first values, Everything is for the next generation. 3. Faith and optimism, the belief that tomorrow will always be better. In every barangay, every province, every Filipino family tree, there is at least one single mom who holds everything together. She may not wear a crown, but she is the queen of survival. The next time you think of Filipino culture, don't just think of fiestas, hospitality, or adobo. Think of the Filipina single mom, because she is not just part of the culture, she is the culture. To all the Filipina single moms out there, you are the unsung heroes, the backbone, and the quiet revolutionaries that keep the Philippines alive and moving forward. And maybe, just maybe, it's time society stops calling you single moms and starts calling you what you really are, the quintessential Filipinas. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.